In this video, I'm going to share the benefits of having a YouTube channel as a content creator or as a business owner, and why I think it's the fastest way to grow your brand. Coming up. Hey guys, Adam here from Hustle Savvy, helping you grow your audience online and build a business around your skills and passion. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any of my videos. There are many social media platforms and marketing growth strategies out there, but I strongly believe YouTube is the one that will bring the most ROI, return on investment, with each content that you post. And here are the reasons why. Reason number one, YouTube is the biggest website behind Google. It has 1.9 billion logged in users. And according to YouTube, more than 1 billion hours of video is being watched per day. So just think about the potential and the number of eyeballs on YouTube. And there's just a lot of traffic to go around. And that is just where a lot of the potential for you and your business to grow. Reason number two, just getting on the subject of YouTube being so big, it's the second largest search platform. People don't really realize this, but you know when you have a problem, you would type it in Google. Guess what happens as part of the search results? Some of those results may be a YouTube video or two or three if it's related. And so because Google owns YouTube, they've been interconnecting those search results more efficiently, and you stand a chance to stand out compared to just fighting it over on Google's traditional SEO. Fun fact, 65% of people would use YouTube to find a solution to their problem rather than Google. This is especially true if the particular problem requires us to look for solutions that needs visual aid. For example, maybe you're trying to assemble furniture, or maybe learning a new dance move. I can't dance. That's why I'm not on TikTok. Reason number three, 80% of users claim that they watch a YouTube video first before purchasing a product. So this goes well for product reviews, and if you're that channel that creates, constant flow of content around reviewing different products, making comparison videos, great opportunity for you there. I've mentioned this in the past, it's also a great opportunity for you to create content around affiliate marketing. You can get commissions by recommending certain products, and you don't really need to have your own product to sell and still be able to make money without relying on the ads. Now, another use case is that for certain businesses that want to demo a product, this is a great platform for you to have. It's also a very searchable platform because it has a search engine that's powered by Google. That means that if you use the right combination of keywords in your video title, you might stand a chance to get free eyeballs on your video demo. Hey, if you're just starting out on YouTube or struggling to get views, check out this YouTube optimization checklist I've made. It's a free resource, link in the description below. Okay, the next reason why I think YouTube is extremely powerful as a platform is because it has a variety of ways to push and promote your content. And this could include older content too. In my previous channel, I've created content that has been around for more than a year or so, and it's still showing up as one of the higher search results. In fact, more than 70% of what people watch on YouTube is actually being determined by the YouTube's algorithm. So it recommends stuff that is, of interest to you, and they have all this data to analyze what you are most likely to click on, and therefore feeding that whole loop, that whole binge watching kind of activity. So there's a few places where this can happen. Mind you, this is all for free. It doesn't have to be a paid ad on YouTube. You can also opt in for that if you want to. Number one, the homepage itself. When you log in every single day, that homepage will most likely not be the same. In fact, have you ever noticed that whenever you encounter a new channel, you discovered it out of nowhere, and you click one of their videos, you're more likely to see recommended content from that channel on your homepage almost immediately, really. The next place where YouTube would recommend your videos for free is at the end of a video. So if you watch a video until the end, you might notice that there'll be this tile of videos popping up. Some are related specifically to the previous video, and some might be new ones. They're also kind of related to what you may be interested in, because maybe you watch a slightly different video the day before or 2 weeks before. Maybe you watch other videos by this particular content creator. So there's, again, a lot of complexity behind that. There's a lot of mechanisms in place, but just know that there's a chance that you will appear on someone else's video after they finish watching that video till the end. So imagine this, if there are like very popular YouTubers out there and you are within that particular category, there's a slight chance that you might appear there. And so, hey, if you like everything that you've learned so far from this video, hit that like button. It helps appease the YouTube algorithm, and it allows this video to be potentially recommended in your homepage or someone else's homepage or at the end of the video. Now, one more place where YouTube will promote a video would be at the bottom right of your screen. I'm referring to the desktop. At the bottom right, you can see that sometimes they'll be up next. If it's especially from a playlist itself, there's even an option to auto play the next video in the playlist, which is pretty powerful. Some of these tips I'll cover in future videos, but basically that's the other place where there's a long list of videos that may potentially be of interest to you, and YouTube is using that space to recommend videos as well, which is great. Again, all these options are automated. You don't do anything to influence that directly. Of course, as I mentioned before, there are ways to optimize your videos, and the more videos you make, the better improvements you make with each upload. Obviously, there's a bigger chance that you get discovered and promoted more. The fifth reason why I think YouTube is the most dominant online platform to do marketing is the fact that you can actually recommend your own videos. So for example, you can set one of those recommendations to be your latest upload. You can also set it on autopilot, and out of all the videos that you've done in the past, YouTube will then calculate and determine roughly which is the next video out of all your videos that this particular viewer might be interested in. Again, these are very important settings that I'll cover in one of the future videos, where I'll show you how to best optimize your YouTube upload settings and how you can take advantage of some of these recommendation tools. Question of the day: what else would you like to learn about YouTube? Let me know in the comment section below. I read every comment, and from there I can figure out what kind of videos I should make for you in the future. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end, and just to show you an example, I'm going to recommend you videos somewhere around the screen right now, and you should check out those videos if you find this video interesting. Thank you so much. Take care. Have a nice day.